Hi everyone, let's talk a little bit about the pros and the cons of owning a gift basket business. As many of you know, I'm Michelle Hensley, owner, founder of Nifty Package Co. We actually have a couple of different pillars within our competencies within our business, and one of them is luxury gift baskets and the other one is mobile gift wrapping. So I'm going to be doing a couple of posts. I'm actually going to do one on the difference between mobile gift wrapping and a gift basket business, and then I'm also going to do one on just a mobile gift wrapping. Today we are actually going to discuss the benefits, pros and cons of a gift basket business. So number one pro, flexible. You can work when you want and when you can, especially if you're starting out and you want to start out small. So learn your skills, get trained, and get educated. Number two, you can start your own business from your home. You don't have to buy a brick and mortar. You don't have to go lease any space. You can start right from your home, which is what I did. I started in a bedroom, moved down to a garage, moved into a bigger garage, moved into a bigger space, took over a room and a garage. Then we moved to a storage unit, and then we moved to some shops. Three, it's meaningful. It's very meaningful. You get to design gifts for people and you start to learn your creative skills as to what that they want, that person wants, and what they're looking for, and who they're wanting to gift to. So it's very exciting. You get a high customer retention rate. So if you have a really good product and you do a great job and you have a great client process set up, you will keep your clients. You can continue to gain exposure through going to different networking events. You get to meet people, show them your work, and you can grow from there. There is a high income potential if you manage your money well as you stay small. And as with anything, when you grow bigger, there are other expenses that you take on. So sometimes that brings your profits down a little bit. What are the cons? Number one, inventory. You need to have a large supply of inventory because you want to be able to make people happy and you want to find out what it is that they're wanting. And sometimes it takes experimenting to determine that. And then you tend to buy in bulk, and if you buy in bulk, sometimes things go out of code. One of the biggest challenges that a lot of gift basket companies has, and that is managing the inventory. So that can be a different training, but the truth is you need to start managing your inventory from the front. And if you start out with that, it's so much easier to manage later. We have mastered our inventory, but it took a little while because I didn't understand this. And again, it's a weakness within the gift basket industry space. Sometimes there's a longer sales process because you're having to create samples, and sometimes that takes time, and that can create a longer sales cycle, and you make presentations just like with any other business. There can be low margins on profit sometimes, especially as you get bigger, and depending on what it is that you're selling. Sometimes there are other companies that you're competing with that buy the products out of the country, and they get a better margin based on that. And when you are starting a business and you're using locally sourced products or high quality products, which would be us, then sometimes the expenses can be a little higher. When you have a gift basket business, it can be a little bit more challenging to scale. Sometimes it's a little harder to grow bigger. But it is possible. It can be a challenge, but it is possible. Other than that, gift basket business is fun. I love it. It's how I started out, and I still do a lot of gift baskets, and we do a lot of luxury gift baskets, higher end. But I love it. I love giving. I love serving. So it's definitely a business where you can do that. Anyway, have a